Good evening all. Myself Lalita, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Humanities, Maths Division, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about a Markov process and Markov chain. What is mean by Markov process? A Markov process is a special kind of random process which is widely used in engineering, science and business modeling. They are used to model systems that have a limited memory of their past. There are two Markov processes. One is discrete Markov process and continuous Markov process. And in a Markov process which is discrete time signals, then it is said to be a Markov chain. A process is said to be a Markov process having continuous time version, then it is said to be a Markov process. A random process which is depend only on the present but not on the past. Future behavior of a process depends only on the present but not on the past. Such type of process is said to be a Markov process. Next, we are going to talk about a transition probability and transition matrix. What is mean by transition probability? The conditional probability of xk equal to j given that xk minus 1 equal to I, xk minus 2 equal to alpha, etc. x naught equal to theta, which is equal to probability of xk equal to j given that xk minus 1 equal to I equal to Pij is called the transition probability from the state I to j in one step from the step k minus 1 to k. Here it takes from I to j to the state I to j. It took one step k minus 1 to k. So the name we are calling it as one step transition probability. Consider a Markov chain having n state with the transition probabilities Pij, then the matrix representation of Pij is called transition probability matrix and is given by P equal to the matrix representation first row P11, P12, etc. P1n, P21, P22, etc. P2n, then the last row Pn1, Pn2, etc. Pnn. The transition probability having two conditions. One is probability always takes Pij 0 to 1. The range is range of the probability is 0 to 1, and the total probability of summation over j Pij equal to always 1. Whatever the j may be, always 1. Row, that is the row total to be 1. N-step transition probability. Let Pij of n denote the conditional probability that the system will be in state j after exactly n transition or n steps, given that the present state of a process is I. That is Pij of n equal to probability of xm plus 1 equal to j given that xm equal to 1. Is called n-step probability matrix. Today we have seen the three ideas: what is Markov process and what is Markov chain, then one-step transition probability matrix, and then one-step transition probability, and then n-step transition probability. In next session, we are going to see about how to construct a one-step transition probability matrix through the given problem. Thank you.